Hey everybody, we're excited to begin our cruise on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady around the Mediterranean for 10 days. Now, we've sailed on Scarlet Lady out of Miami Beach before, never out of Barcelona, so this is kind of like coming home. We're really excited, so join us. Welcome to our Rockstar Brilliance Suite. We're here on Scarlet Lady, and now a word to the wise. Right before sailing, they offer the opportunity to bid for upgrades. Now, we actually had paid for a smaller suite, but we bid and actually lowballed, and we're able to get this wonderful upgrade suite. It's 11 o'clock p.m. Do you know where your grandpas are?
These grandpas are getting ready to go to the pajama party.
Yes, can you believe it? We're here in our jammies all ready to boogie down?
Yeah, boogie down the night here.
Well, we're standing. That's about as good as you're going to get.
So now we're going to go and finish this night out, and maybe we'll be to bed by 2 a.m.
No. No.
1 a.m.
Try midnight. We're going to go shake our groove thing.
Yeah.
If it still can shake.
We're going to have fun.
Hey everybody, good morning. Good morning, sailors ahoy. We are off for breakfast this morning at the wake.
Yeah, we had a long night. We did stay awake.
Till midnight.
That's a long time for me.
Exactly.
I'm old. I go to bed at 8:30.
And now we need our coffee.
And we're off there, so come along and we're off to the
Wake.
I'm a fiend for the clam chowder here. So we're starting off the morning with an appetizable clam chowder. And let me tell you, this is the best clam chowder we've ever had. Bon appetit. I am having they call the wake.
Benedict.
Thank you. A senior moment here with Bob Scott.
Coffee.
Anyway, and it is with pork belly instead of Canadian bacon. Here we go. Virgil, I love my pork belly. Right, Grandpa?
You bet. Isn't dessert for breakfast a little decadent?
Yeah.
But you can get into it.
You know, that's delicious.
I'm ending with apple tartare. It is gorgeous. And that's wonderful. We're here at Bingo with a Diva. We've got our cards, and we feel like winners. We didn't win, but Grandpa Scott actually came close within one number.
No, I just needed B28.
Oh,
no,
well.
B25.
We're consoling ourselves with a pizza.
Really great pizzas.
You can't lose when it comes to the pizzas here, so
Yes.
we're winners.
There were wonderful pizzas on Scarlet Lady.
Absolutely. We're having a great time. A lot of wonderful people we've met from all over the world.
Yeah. It's been really a fascinating time, this being our second Virgin Voyage cruise and our second time on actually Scarlet Lady.
Yeah, so it feels like home, but with a whole new cast of characters and sailors. So it's really been remarkable.
The seas have been beautiful.
Yeah.
We'll do a whole lot more of that. But we thought you'd just like to get a sense of what you do on the cruise. And what it's been so far is have a lot of fun and eat.
Yeah, some people are going to shows. Some people are just hanging out by the pools. Other people are enjoying eating their way through
Lot
the
of
cruise.
eating,
Since
drinking.
we do have dinner reservations later this evening, we better eat our pizza now.
Yeah,
so we'll
we
have
will.
We're just giving Grandpa Scott a little time to contemplate and to mourn. You see, last year at Razzle Dazzle, he lost Fairy Toast. And this year, they've redesigned Razzle Dazzle and took away some of the razzle and the dazzle, and he's just silently remembering.
We are here in beautiful Cadiz, Spain.
Oh, where the hell have you got the energy?
Grandpa Scott stayed up past midnight and he's paying the price this morning. But it's a beautiful day and I'm going to drag him kicking and screaming out to see the city.
We went dancing. And we did dance, huh?
You danced and you had a few cocktails too. That may go a long way to explaining why Grandpa isn't his normal chipper self.
What do you mean I'm not chipper?
Let's go get some coffee in you.
Oh, God, can we get some coffee?
Looks good, doesn't it? Bon appetit.
What are you trying to eat?
I'm trying to cut it, and these knives don't cut.
Grandpa fighting with a dumpling. Dumpling 1, Grandpa 0.
Oh, it's delicious.
Greetings for somewhere out in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea.
It's been beautiful. It's been warm and sunny.
We are actually 5 days into our 10-day cruise.
Aww.
And tonight we had wonderful dinner at the Test Kitchen.
We're here for dinner at the Test Kitchen on Scarlet Lady. And we've already been given our palate cleanser, which is hibiscus tea. Very excited about the meal. It's always an adventure to eat here.
And your grandpa's went with the wine pairing that came with each course, which means we had 5 glasses of wine each, and Grandpa Scott is really feeling it.
Oh, like you're not.
No, I am calm and sober. We're just making sure that Grandpa doesn't walk too close to the edge of the ship.
You know, yeah, they put a leash on me.
He's insisting the ship is listing back and forth. Well, actually, it's very smooth sailing. Anyway, we're having a great evening, if you can't already tell. And we're just going to walk around to have some enjoyment and probably have another cocktail.
If we're lucky. Yeah, or 2.
No, just 1 cocktail each.
All right, guys. Love you all. Stay safe. Grandpa Bobby,
Yes, sir.
are you enjoying your fun here on the Mediterranean?
How can I not? I'm with you.
Oh, good answer. What do you like best?
Sharing my time with you.
Okay, now we know that. You're getting a little thick in here. What do you like about it?
Oh, I love the crew here on Virgin Voyages. They make it really special, and I
Yeah.
think we give them a little chuckle.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Look at this ocean, guys.
It's not an ocean, it's a Mediterranean Sea.
Oh, excuse me.
See?
Sea.
See the sea?
This is the Mediterranean Sea, not ocean, has been pointed out. And it is like glass.
Yeah,
It
it's
is
very, very smooth sailing.
so beautiful. This is just so beautiful and relaxing. Can't begin to tell you how it feels.
It's Scarlet Night. Let the party begin.
We're having a grand time. I have no idea if you can hear it or not. That's right. Color is red. Everybody is rocking out. And we're even staying up for it. You'll see how long Grandpa stays up. We are on day 8 of our 10-day cruise here on Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, and we're getting ready to dock at
Ibiza, or as they pronounce it, Ibiza, has a reputation of being a great party island.
Yeah.
I don't think your grandpas are gonna be out at the discos, but
not after Scarlet Night last night.
yeah, we had a
Ooh.
grandpa stayed up till midnight last night. You could
Shocking.
believe- Shocking.
Shocking.
Let the news be written. Anyway, we're floating out here in the ocean between islands, which isn't a bad thing to do on a beautiful sunny day.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
And we'll be docking, and for nighttime here, the boat is actually staying overnight, so people can go to the clubs, and they'll probably be very quiet in
People
the
like
morning.
us go to the club.
Yeah. I don't think you want to go clubbing with your grandpas. Yeah, no. We'll probably go out to dinner or for a nice stroll in the evening.
We appreciate your support. We appreciate your encouragement. You guys have just been tremendous to us. So now's a good time to say thank you.
And if you haven't already subscribed, we really appreciate your doing so. Give us a like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. It helps us a lot, and it really means a lot to both of us.
Absolutely. And remember, as we always say,
Whether you're traveling the world or just traveling through life, always travel your heart.